Opportunity is vast in digital business. Anyone with an idea can build a six-figure online brand. Yet many fail because they lack strategy and treat it less like a real business. Digital businesses include courses, consulting, SaaS, subscriptions, and content monetization. Benefits include low startup costs, global reach, scalability, and a flexible lifestyle. Success requires structure and consistency. Think like a founder. Prioritize long-term strategy. Pick a market with a painful problem and willingness to pay. Choose a business model that fits your skills and goals. Don't chase trends. Your offer is your revenue engine. Develop different offer types like flagships and entry products. Validate your ideas before building using polls or pre-sales. People pay for transformation, not just information. Your brand is perception, promise, and personality. Define your DNA, mission, vision, values, voice. Nail a tight niche first. Build essential brand assets like your logo, website, and lead magnet. Set up your essential tech stack, including a website and tools for email, hosting, and analytics. Content attracts and converts. Pick 1 to 2 core platforms and be consistent. Your content should educate, entertain, or empower. You own your email list, not your social following. Use a lead magnet strategy to build your list via landing pages. Nurture subscribers with a welcome sequence. Create funnels that convert. Don't wait for perfection. Launch fast and improve. Plan your launch, build anticipation, and use a strategic email sequence. Automate systems using tools to scale your engine beyond 6 figures. Build for legacy, not just likes.